Have you ever wanted a bidet in your bathroom?
Wait, whoa. So you're saying that I want one of these? What? No. There's no way that I want this. There's no way that I want one of these. I don't see myself ever having one. It's too much money. I don't like it. Anyways, so today we're gonna make a bidet. I'm gonna need you guys to just ignore the mess right here, okay? Please. Do you ever just sit on the toilet and think, you know what? I'm too lazy to wipe. I just don't feel like wasting any unnecessary calories to wipe my my ass. I simply don't want to wipe. Have you ever thought that? Me neither. So I had this brilliant idea to make this like this toilet thing, you know, that just sprays your anal cavity with water. Unfortunately for me, these things already exist, and they're called bidets. But if you go on Amazon, bidets are like $300. Oh wow, $35? That's actually not that bad. It's pretty affordable too. I could probably buy one right now. No. You know what? Throw that shit to the side. I can make something much better for a lot more. Before talking about the design, let's first talk about the concept. So at this point, you're probably like, David, you know, I don't entirely love the idea of my ass being sprayed with water, but I don't entirely hate it either. I only hate myself. So the design is simple. The plan is to cut some PVC pipe about 9 centimeters long. Then, you know, we're just gonna drill some holes on both sides so we can feed some little rubber tubes through. Then we're gonna get some air pump motors, all right? These air pump motors are basically just gonna just pump air. We're gonna put them in a little box, feed the tubes from the motor through the PVC pipe, and then we had a button to manually control the booty spray, the bidet. I meant to say the bidet. See, simple. Isn't that right, Past David? It's about 2 a.m. right now, and I kind of want to vomit. But anyways, enough talking. All right, let's actually build it. That doesn't mean I'm actually gonna stop talking. It really just means you need some wires, a 9-volt battery, some more fucking wires, a button, some goddamn solder, 2 air pump motors, PVC pipe, a coat hanger, a lot of rubber tubes, cardboard, the fuck? Cardboard, a little box, and a juice box. And yes, that's not optional. You need the motors. And don't worry. I'm not gonna include a montage of me building this because I don't want to bore you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish building the And there we go. Doesn't it look just like a piece of shit? I'm so excited to finally test this out. And I even made it so that it fits neatly in our bidet travel bag. Get it now for 4 brain cells. This is a lie. You can't really get this shit. This is my bag. Please leave me alone. So now, when you have to go to the restroom, you can easily hide your bidet, awesome bag, without being seen. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. It's like supposed to transition to the toilet or something. Whoa, shit. See, I'm in the restroom now, guys. Did you like the transition? No? Okay. Shit. Interesting story, guys. Funny story, actually. So if you're easily disgusted by diarrhea or human excrement, please look away because it's pretty bad. So now you're probably like, well, where does it go on the toilet? Oh, you thought we were gonna plug it directly into the toilet. Fuck no, I don't know plumbing. But what I do know is how to hide stuff, as you can tell. So instead of having the bidet directly on the toilet, we're gonna place it right here behind the lid and then hook in the coat hanger through here, and you know, we're gonna have it sit nice and easy. What the Actually, while I do this, did you know that only 1 in 20 people actually wash their hands when making urine? So yeah, you know, I don't know, maybe you should just wash your fucking hands. So now we're gonna place these tubes into their corresponding air pump motor. All right, so it should look just like that. This one's fucking backwards, god fucking damn it. Unfortunately, since I don't fucking know anything about plumbing, we can't really plug it in directly into the back and use the water. So anytime you wanna use the bidet and you're, you know, sneaking around with your bag, you're gonna have to already have 2 water bottles in hiding, ready to go. What you're gonna do for each water bottle is you're just gonna feed both these tubes in through here, and then you just screw the cap back on and let it sit there. And basically what this does is, since I created a seal here, it's just gonna replace the air with water inside the water bottle and eventually push out the water through here. With these tubes, we're just gonna funnel them through the back and then gonna make it come up through the top. This almost looks cool, almost. All right, and once you have it all plugged up, it should look a little bit something like this. Water bottles right here. We got our remote control right here. And I know what you're thinking, no, I'm actually not sponsored by Apple. Steve Jobs is dead. So now, whenever you're ready, all you gotta do is find where your battery goes and just plug in your battery. There we go. Now, whenever you're ready, you just click the button. There we go. I think I'm covering one of the, yeah. There we go. All right, now that everything's plugged in, all you gotta do is hit that nice, amazing red button, and there we go. It's gonna clean your asshole. But yeah, now I have to try it. Shit. Oh look, it's a toilet with what the fuck is it? It's a bidet. How convenient. I wonder how this got here. Okay, so as I sit here in fear, I thought about making a rating system. So I'm gonna use the bidet 3000, like, I'm gonna use it like 3 times. Each time I use it, I'm gonna give it an enjoyment rating from 1 to 5, which will obviously be measured by how much shit is found per square centimeter of my ass. Well, here goes nothing. 1 small step for man, 1 giant shit for mankind. Oh! Yeah, that one's a 5. That one's a 5. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that one was a 3. That one wasn't that good. I didn't like that one. No, that wasn't good. All right, last one. Let's go. Yeah, that's a 10. That was a 10. That was definitely a 10. And there you go. Now I can safely say that this invention was a success. So now that we know that I have created something as important as water, the second wheel, fucking air, I will now show my invention to the world so they can see the greatness of anal cleaner 3000. So let's go do that. Let's show the sharks who just happen to be in my room, conveniently in my room, being worth millions of dollars. They're just sitting in my room. Hello chefs, I would like a pair of kidneys and how about a spleen? I actually don't want any of your money. Oh, yeah, the bidet. Fuck, I have to hurry. Just give me a second. Okay, I can't get it out, but the gist of it is that the bidet is portable. Okay, it's in a bag. I can take it to places. Not only that, but you can build it easy. It takes like 3 hours, which is, you can actually do a lot in 3 hours. Fuck. But, get this, all right? It works. It actually, it's fucking broken right now.
$400,000 for 37%, yes or no?
I mean, I just said I didn't want any of your money.
It sounds really good what you're saying. It's worth nothing.
Whoa, don't care, plus you're bald.
Yeah, we're all out.
Okay. Thank you, chef. Hey! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to make sure to subscribe for a chance to win this wire that just might have shit on it. Tell your friends, not about the shit wire. Tell them about my channel. Okay, yeah, and the shit wire. Also, I just want to give a big shout out to my Patreons for hiding. Also, guys, I just want to quickly apologize for my inconsistency. I haven't been posting a lot. I don't really have an excuse for that, but I'm gonna be posting more. All right, that's set in stone. I promise. So anyways, see you next time, you bunch of dirty